Thank you so much for joining me for this Let's Connect webinar. I'm coming to you from home. We're going to be going over the HD app, which you only need your smartphone for. And then we have the infotainment system, and last but not least, the HD Connect. So first things first, starting off with the HD app. You can create a profile on the desktop or laptop computer, and when you download the app to your smartphone and log in, everything will be right there. So I find it a little easier to use the desktop or laptop version first to create your profile. And if you have a hd.com or hog.com profile, you can log into that or create an account from either of those websites. Here's what it looks like on your phone. If you search on any of your Play Stores HD app, you want to look for that bar and shield icon and download it. It works both in iOS and Android. And again, once you log in, all your information is going to be right there. So you can go right to it and start doing the ride challenges and having fun that way. And again, the HD app is at the bottom of either h-d.com or hog.com. You can click on that link. Ride planning is where you can create routes and rides right on your desktop or laptop computer. I think it works easier that way. Plus, when you share information, when you share those rides with other people, they can download it right to their HD app, and vice versa. If they share it with you, you can download it right to your phone. And then again, all the information is going to be right there. I find it a lot easier to create the ride on a desktop or laptop computer. It just works better that way, and it does work similar to Google Maps, so you can just plan everything out and go from there. The ride challenges in the app, those are a lot of fun and they're easy to do. All you have to do is log in, sign up, and it'll take it from there. Make sure and turn your app on every time that you go for a ride, and that way it will record your mileage, and you can rack up points towards virtual badges in the app. Now, separate from the app and part of the HOG or Harley Owners Group is the mileage recognition program. There you can earn patches and pins based on what your odometer says. So in order to sign up for that, you do need to be a HOG member, number one, and then you need to have your odometer read. Now, if you did buy your bike at FX Caprara Harley-Davidson, either new or previously enjoyed, we did pay for that first year of national HOG membership for you. So, and chances are if you bought it within the last 6 months from our dealership, then I went ahead and logged those miles at the time of purchase. So you're already all set up. You just need to have your odometer read again by me at the dealership, and I'll provide links to get that done in the meantime. We're not at the dealership at the moment. However, you do need me or somebody like me at a dealership to log those miles for you. That's the only way that you're going to be able to rack them up in the system. So you have your lifetime and annual mileage, and then also the chapter challenge, where all of the chapters compete and see who has the highest mileage. That's all part of the Ride 365 program. Also part of the program is the 10 rides for 20 or the 50 rides one nation. And again, those are all part of hog.com's ride challenges. If you're not a member, highly suggest becoming one, because there's lots of benefits to being a member. Not to mention, the HD Visa card now offers points for every mile that you ride, up to 50,000 points in a year. That translates to $500 worth of gift cards. So again, this is part of your HOG benefits. If you are not a HOG member, when you're a HOG member, I should say, you will receive points based on your mileage. And again, either myself or somebody like me at your local Harley dealership will need to log those miles for you with HOG. So next we're on to infotainment. Harley-Davidson made a huge transformation to the touring lineup starting in 2014 by introducing a customer-driven effort to fundamentally improve every aspect of the riding experience. What is infotainment, you may ask? Things like voice control, intuitive hand controls, GPS alert, and touchscreen. And then continued in 2017. Those models introduced the 9th V-twin in Harley-Davidson history, the Milwaukee 8 engine. Riders asked for an enhanced audio system with a crisp sound, the ability to ride farther and longer without the need for mounted GPS or paper map, new ways to control their personal phones and music while riding. This feedback inspired Boom Audio, and that uses the fairing and tour pack luggage carrier as subwoofers, built-in GPS navigation with handlebar joystick to enable riders to control without moving their hand off the handlebars, and a dedicated water-resistant slot built into the front fairing that allows for Bluetooth connectivity. Voice control. How cool would it be to play any song you want to hear just by telling your motorcycle to play it? Well, now you can with Boom Audio music and communication headset or a wired helmet. Operate music, phone, and GPS by voice command. And what I'm showing you here is the 20S helmet headsets. Those I did a video earlier, and I'll link to that right there for you. Hand controls for 2017 and later models. You can see the two differences there. The hand controls were made bigger and 2 new joysticks were added for toggling through your menus, and they were put within easy, intuitive reach. GPS alert, 2 things a rider needs to know: when you're low on fuel and where the next gas station is. When the tank runs low, the GPS gives you an alert and lets you know the way to the nearest gas station. The touring bikes also include a water-resistant jukebox media storage compartment. Instead of a traditional hinge design, Harley developed a 4-bar linkage to optimize the storage space. It also comes open with a push of one finger. Plug your iPhone, iPod, or other compatible device into the USB port and you're connected to operate your phone and music through your hand, voice recognition, or touchscreen controls. And you'll never run out of juice because the system charges your phone while it's plugged in. The display screen puts it all right there before your eyes in bright, easy to read 6.5-inch touchscreen living color, and running the electronic information on your motorcycle couldn't get any easier. Last but not least is the H.G Connect, which is going to bring everything together. H.G Connect service remotely connects you to your bike through the Harley-Davidson app on your smartphone. It uses built-in cellular connectivity and GPS to keep you in the know with bike status, notifications, and alerts. Available for the 2020 Livewire and select 2020 touring models. The H.G Connect service is powered through what we just heard about, the H.D app. So with that, you get access to GPS navigation, record your ride, events calendar, dealer locations, and more. You'll always be plugged in. Check your high voltage battery charge with the Livewire or your fuel level, available range, tire pressure on TPMS equipped models, ride mode on equipped models, odometer, infotainment software updates where applicable, and riding statistics. You'll always have peace of mind. See your bike's location in the H.D app and get alerts if it's been tampered with, bumped, or even moved. The GPS-enabled stolen vehicle tracking feature also lets you share its location with local law enforcement. Get maintenance reminders when your next service is due and keep track of completed services in the maintenance log. You'll get the first year free with the purchase of a new H.D Connect equipped motorcycle. Smartphones running current versions of iOS or Android are supported. Starting at less than $12 per month, plans are billed annually starting at $150 per year. Discounted rates available with multi-year purchase. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or contact me through any of the social media. The links to everything is down below. And until the next time, guys, continue to ride safe, stay home if you can, and have fun.